Hi, it's Ike from Groovy Entertainment. Today we got a book to read for you. Today, book is Henry the Green Engine, Henry Sneeze from 1951. So let's get started. One lovely Saturday morning, Henry was puffing along. The sun shined, filled with green. The birds sung. Henry had plenty of steam in his boarder. He was feeling happy. I feel so well, he sung. Chickily chock, hummed his coaches. Henry saw some boys on a bridge. Peep, peep, hello, he whistled carefully. Peep, 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 he called the next moment. Oh, for the boy didn't wave and take his number. They dropped stones on him instead. They were silly, stupid boys who thought it would be fun to drop stones down his funnel. Some of the stones hit Henry's boarder and splattered his paint. One hit the fireman on the head as he was shoveling coal, and the other broke the carriage windows. It's a shame, hissed Henry. They have broken our glass. They have broken our glass, sobbed the coaches. The driver opened the first aid box, bandaging the fireman's head and planning what he was going to do. They stopped the train, and the guard asked if any passenger was hurt. No one was hurt, but everyone was cross. They saw the fireman bump head and told him what to do for it. And they looked at Henry Paint. Call the police, they shouted angrily. No, said the driver. Leave it to Henry and me. We'll teach them lad a lesson. What will you do? They asked. Can you keep a secret? Yes, they all said. Well then, said the driver, Henry is going to sneeze at them. What? Cried all the passengers. The driver laughed. Henry drew air in through his fire and puffed it out, while smoke and steam. When he puffed hard, the air blows ashes from his fire into his smoke box, and those ashes sometimes prevents him from puffing properly. When your nose is blocked, you sometimes sneeze. If Henry's smoke box is blocked, I can make air and steam blow the ashes out through his funnel. We will do it at the bridge and startle those boys. Henry puffed on to the terminal. When he had rest, then he took the train back. Lots of people was waiting at the station just before the bridge. They wanted to see what would happen. Henry had plenty of ashes, said the driver. Please keep all windows shut till we have passed the bridge. Henry is as excited as we are. Aren't you, old fellow? And he patted Henry's border. Henry didn't answer. He was feeling stuffed up. But he winked at his driver like this. The guard flag waved, his whistle blew, and they was off. Soon in the distance, they saw the bridge. There was the boys, and they all had stones. Are you ready, Henry? Said his driver. Sneeze hard when I tell you. Now, he said, and turned the handle. Smoke and steam and ashes spout from his funnel. They went all over the bridge and all over the boys, who ran away as black as soot. Well done, Henry, laughed the driver. They won't drop stones on engines again. Your coat is all black, but we'll rub you down and paint your scratches, and you'll be good as new tomorrow. Henry had never again sneezed under a bridge. The fat controller doesn't like it. His smoke box is always clean in the yard while he addressed it. He has now gone under more bridges than he could count. But from that day to this, there have been no more boys with stones. So that was Henry Sneeze from 1951. So if you like, subscribe, share, and comment, have a groovy day with another video coming out real soon.